Alright, let's dive into a Supreme Court decision that's shaking up the debate over birthright citizenship in the United States. So here's what happened. On June 27, 2025, the Supreme Court handed down a ruling that doesn't exactly decide whether Trump's plan to limit birthright citizenship is constitutional, but it does change the legal playing field in a big way. Let's back up for a second. Birthright citizenship comes from the 14th Amendment. For over 150 years, if you were born in the US, you were a citizen, unless your parents were foreign diplomats or enemy soldiers. Simple, right? But Trump, early in his term, signed an executive order aimed at ending automatic citizenship for most babies born to non-citizens. He argued that the current system incentivizes illegal immigration and even birth tourism, where people come to the US just to have a baby who gets citizenship. Naturally, lawsuits followed. Courts across the country blocked Trump's policy with what are called universal injunctions. That meant no matter where you lived in America, the executive order was stopped cold. Here's the twist. The Supreme Court's new ruling isn't about the 14th Amendment itself. Instead, it's about those universal injunctions. The court said federal judges can't just block a law nationwide for everyone, only for the people actually involved in a lawsuit. What does this mean in real life? Well, Trump's birthright citizenship policy could soon go into effect in parts of the country, maybe as early as late July, unless a local court steps in. If you're not part of an active lawsuit, the policy might apply to you. Almost immediately after the ruling, lawyers started looking for workarounds. For example, in Maryland, plaintiffs asked a judge to turn their case into a class action so it would cover all babies born after the order takes effect. But until those cases go through, we could see a patchwork across the country. Some places where babies born to non-citizens get citizenship, and some where they don't. Legal experts say this is a huge shift from how the system has worked for generations. And let's be honest, this could get messy fast. Imagine parents in one state getting a birth certificate and social security number for their newborn, while parents in another state are left in limbo, unsure if their child is a citizen or not. The American Immigration Council is warning that some babies could be rendered stateless. That means no country at all. And here's the kicker. The Supreme Court hasn't weighed in on whether Trump's plan is actually constitutional. That fight is almost certain to come. But for now, the rules are changing, and fast. So what should you watch for? Keep an eye out as lawsuits move through the courts. If you're expecting a baby or know someone who is, this could have real consequences depending on where you live. As always, I'll keep following the story. And if you want the latest updates on big Supreme Court decisions, make sure to hit subscribe and turn on notifications. That's it for today. Thanks for watching, and let me know what you think about this Supreme Court shakeup in the comments below.